Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Blockblast reset your attempt to use an extra life or heart with an error over and over for days at a time? Here's the fix. First, go ahead and force close Blockblast completely from your recent apps and reopen it, since a stock request to use your extra life can get hung up in a broken session that a fresh relaunch clears. Go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then go off to your reset connection, since using an extra life requires a live server request and that request can fail silently on an unstable connection. So without showing a real error, reopen block blast on that reset connection and retry again. If error keeps happening across multiple days, then you'll have to go to your settings again, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Find Block Blast in the app list, tap on it, and then tap Offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and reinstall it from the App Store to clear a corrupted live tracking cache that's causing the request to be rejected. So all you gotta do is force close and reopen, restart your connection, and offload and reinstall if the error keeps happening. Extra lives work again, and that's it. Subscribe.